Hello and welcome to Adventure Europe 2025, a collaboration between ETOA, the European Tourism Association, and the Adventure Connection. Thank you for your work so far in getting to this point, providing your company profiles, submitting preferences, and now we're ready to get into the event platform itself. So I just want to take a few moments to familiarize you with what happens next. So you're just logging in now, and there's an opportunity now to top up not only your company profile, but your personal profile. So this is just how you'll appear now in the online platform, and it will just help providing a little bit more information and personal profile as you access the day. So as you can see, I'm just doing a few updates to my profile. You can add some extra information on here. Quite an important thing about these, particularly on the online format, is to make sure your time zone. So I would just go with your local time zone, but check that in advance because up until this point, we've been using CET as the fixed time zone for the event. So that may differ from where you are. Indeed, I'm in London, so that is a different time zone for me. Again, you can share your visibility. I'm gonna, now that I've uploaded it, share my photo, and this is where you can return always to amend your preferences. So once you've updated that, that will do your profile. And then this is a quick demonstration of your agenda. So I don't have any meetings during this event, so my agenda is empty, but you will see your scheduled meetings assigned on this agenda in amongst the breaks, and indeed our keynote briefing, which is available to view, which gives you some background information and stats with regards to how the state of play for the inbound Adventure Europe adventure segment is for Europe at the moment. And there is a resource gallery where you can watch that back, or indeed there's a transcript in there as well for your use. So when it comes to your meeting time, just click to join, wait for your interlocutor to arrive, and then you can join the video meeting there. So when you log in, you'll have tested your connection and your video. If at any point you have any queries during the day, there is an assistance, the live support on the top right-hand corner of the page. So in the first instance, go to that if you require any help or advice on how to use the platform, or indeed if you're asking where your meeting is. That's the best place to go, because the team will be there live waiting to assist you if necessary, versus it might take a bit longer if you're emailing back to the inbox that you've been using up until this point. So in addition to your meetings on the main timeline, you can also go into the meetings hub. So at the moment, nobody else has updated their profile yet, but this is where all delegates will be listed with some more information about them. And this is where you can either connect to allow you to download their details, or indeed schedule further ad hoc calls. Perhaps you've not been connected with them, or they might be the same registration type as yourself. You might be a DMC interested in talking to another DMC just to understand who else is on the call. But here is a list of everybody that will be joining tomorrow or today, and you'll be able to connect with them beyond the pre-scheduled meetings that you see on the agenda. So as I said, we're on hand during the live chat, so if you require any assistance, please just give us a shout. Otherwise, I trust that you have a profitable and successful meeting. Thank you very much.